Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are on our holidays and we just thought that we would film her hair on the beach today because it's such a beautiful setting. And today, what did you want today? Crisscross braids. Now, to do this crisscross braids, you're either going to need to do French braids or Dutch braids. I have got a tutorial for both of those. I'll put a link in the description below, so make sure you've looked at those first because you'll need to know those before you move on to this one. So let's just turn around. Here we go, take your head back. Let's get started.
To get a good centre parting, I stand at the front of her and go back, and then I join my fingers together at the back of her head and go from that first parting down to that centre section. Then to get the very bottom perfect, I put my finger in the little dimple of her neck and then bring the comb down. That gets a perfect centre parting. Then from the centre, I just cross over to the ears and I clip away alternate sections. Now I'm going to do a Dutch braid. If you're not sure how to do a Dutch braid, I'll put a link in the description box below. You need 3 pieces of hair. You're going to take this outside strand under the centre strand and then the opposite outside strand under the centre strand. Then before you come under the centre strand again, you're going to combine more hair with it. So every time you go under the centre strand from the outside strand, you keep needing to add more hair. But like I said, if you don't know how to do a Dutch braid already, then I have got a really good step-by-step tutorial to teach you how to do the Dutch braid. And you will get it perfectly. So for beginners, you will be able to do it if you don't know how to do it already. So you're going to Dutch braid this top quarter of the hair and you're going to braid towards the centre cross. When you get to that centre section, you're going to do a few stitches without joining any hair. Once you get to a certain part and you can start beginning adding stitches again, then you're going to add more hair and continue that Dutch braid and then finishing it off with an elastic at the end. Then you're going to come back to the front and you're going to continue going to do another Dutch braid and you're going to go all the way braiding to the centre of her head, being careful to make sure that you pick up every single little piece because when you get around the ear, you find that you need to pick up little pieces a bit more carefully. Then you're going to do as many stitches as you need to do to get over that cross, and then once you are far enough over, then you can start adding more hair again and then you can finish that braid all the way to the end. And then you get the crisscross braids. This could be done with French braids as well. We just chose Dutch braids. So here is the finished look. It's really, really cute.
So you're happy with these now, aren't you? Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye. Bye.
So we were so excited to get into the sea and she wanted to join her brother and sister with the snorkeling and the rubber rings that we forgot to do a final spin. So here it is, a final spin after hours and hours in the sea. But they still look good. They hold it really well, keeps their hair out of the face, a perfect style for the beach.